very satisfying. Yeah. It's very extraordinary. Satisfying. First one done. First quarter done. We'll put the insulation in there. That's good. I'm pleased with that.
Okay, so this morning we got a little bit carried away. We started to do the ceiling, putting the rails up, thinking we could start plasterboarding the ceiling. However, we got to an area that we realised. Let me just take you inside, turn you around. So we railed all this side, and then we got to this part, the tall part.
The tall part?
The tall part. And what did we realise, baby?
We've got a rail all the way through. However, if you look at this end, this is where there's going to be a large cupboard area to house the fridge and freezer, the ballon, everything like that. And if we'd have railed all the way through, it would have been rather annoying trying to get a cabinet built off of them rails. You know, there is a thought that you could steel it and all that sort of thing, but I want to make it in wood because I want to make a nice cabinet and all that sort of thing. And yeah, so we put on the brakes and steered to this area here, which I'm now going to frame out for the cupboards.
Got a little bit carried away there, didn't we, baby?
Got a little bit carried away. Well, we got all excited because you, woo, look at that! You know, we could have a ceiling in there, we could have lights in there, we could have this, that, and the other. And excuse me. Yes, just put the brakes on a little bit. This is the other thing you have to do. Always have to do. Is you always have to make allowances for the stones in the walls.
Yeah, everyone says that they'd love stone walls, and then when you get them, you realise they're a bit of a pain. So we suddenly realised that whilst Ted was building the cabinet, if we build the cabinet, we then can't get the ballon up there because we can't get the scaffolding in to get the ballon in up there. So we've now got to take part of the thing, the structure that is built down, to get the ballon in. Scaffolding. Right, so let's swap places. I'm going to get up, you're going to get down. I'm gonna pull, you're gonna push. And it'll be just like that.
Once we get out of here,
Simple.
simples.
Can I just say a huge thank you to Paul Bombardier.
Who's caused this problem by buying it?
One of their patrons
So much, Paul.
brought the water heater and the kit off of our wish list on the website. Thank you, Paul.
Such a result. It'll be good fun to get it in, because it'll be a weight off your mind. There's another thing, another little milestone. Because I do believe this was my idea putting it up there.
It was your idea.
Yeah, so I've got nobody to blame. Right, I just want to get a pair of gloves on.
Oh, should we have... Oh, do you want us to get that on the thing together first?
Yes, darling.
Shall I come back down?
Yeah, come down. You're just trying it out for size, weren't you?
Yes! Yee! We have a water heater!
I love the way you... That's it! That's all you need to do! My measurements were correct.
Bath time is one step further. Yes!
So with the ballon finally in, it was time to rebuild the framework for the cabinets on this side of the room. And then we can get the rest of the rails in. So when you come back and see us at the end of the week, they'll all be done. Please like, subscribe, hit the hype button, comment, and thank you so much for everybody's continued support on this project that we're doing. We'll see you all again.